little chilly this morning. Gotta let her warm up. Today we're gonna go hit Cars and Coffee with a couple of the homies. It's quite a ways away, so it'll be a good cruise. But first things first, we gotta go get some coffee. Supercharged. Alright, just gotta wait for the homies to pull up. We are headed out. See what kind of trouble we get into today. Oh, the streets are definitely cold. Definitely lurking this morning. Tell you what, guys, these are essential. You guys, but it drives me insane when cars have their brights on the freeway, especially when it's light out. Like, you don't even need your lights on right now. That car behind me has just been bright in my ass the whole way. good turnout. I don't know what this is, but it looks very fun to drive. Good looking C6s. This one's Pro Charged. This guy's fast. Todd, beautiful Blackwing. Love this color. This thing is super clean. M3 Competition Sport. The whole Beamer gang over here. This guy looks fast. Some classics here too. Yeah, this thing's sick. This is probably my favorite car here. Gorgeous interior. Little nice. One day I will have one of these. Got some more fast boys over here. I think this truck's making like 1,300 horsepower. It's freaking insane. Super sleeper. Nice Bronco over here too. Couple Evo 9s. Do like these. You gotta love these. Too Fast, Too Furious. Definitely a fan of these. Couple sick Lambos here too. Man, I love this color. Super clean. Carbon fin is crazy. Gotta come over here and check out this old, what is this? Is it Land Cruiser? Oh, okay, sorry. My wifey, she loves old Toyotas. Respect to the OG Toyotas. Very nice. One day she'll have one of these. Right hand drive, yeah, that's cool. It's not a Utah meet without some crazy off-roaders. It's got like that textured paint. Very militant looking. Damn. Pretty good turnout. I'm glad the sun came out a little warmer. Jeez, look at the wing on those things. If we can make it out, jeez, through this sea of people. So we did just have to stop at the mother-in-law's house to drop off some stuff real quick, but now we're gonna go get some food. Probably go get a burger or something. Pretty clean M5. Too bad there's too much traffic. Play around a little bit. If you're ever in the Salt Lake area, you gotta check out the Farm Kitchen. Grass-fed burgers, really fresh food. Definitely the place to go. Beats any fast food burger. Right now I'm sipping on toasted marshmallow. It's kind of like a chocolate milk, but more, it has cinnamon in it. I don't know what else, but it's really good. Tastes like horchata almost.